Now, you've probably seen this by now, but if I go ahead and compile and I see a little red one here, and I roll over it and it says something about an error, expected semicolon, but got bracket, all these errors mean that your code isn't compiling. It's not working as expected. So now I can go over here and do a little semicolon, recompile, and I get a green. Now, if I delete this top line, for example, and I compile it, I actually get a yellow thing. Yellow stands for warnings. The warning that I get is warning, SPX license identifier not provided. You should add it. So let's go ahead and add that back. I recompile and the warning goes away. Warnings don't stop your code from compiling. So if you get warnings, it's okay. But it's usually a good idea to listen to the warnings because often they'll give really insightful information about how to improve your smart contracts. So to summarize, if it's red, it's broken. If it's yellow, you might want to check it out, but it won't stop you from continuing to code.